Hello everyone, welcome back. So we'll continue our lecture on population distribution. So today we are going to read about some tables, data. So population change and growth rate. So this is the first column of year, and this is the population number. And this is size of population change. This is annual population growth rate, population doubling time, and this is gender ratio, and this is population density. So on the basis of this table we are going to read about these today's sessions. So in 2009 to 2011 the population was 82 lakh, approximately 82 lakhs 56,000, and the added population was this much, 19 lakh 72,000. That is, if you talk about in percentage, is 31.4 percentage. So annual growth rate was in 2.28%, and the population density was 56.56%. So if you talk about 2018, then the population will be 94 lakh 12,000, and the added population will be 11 lakh, and the percentage if you talk about will be then 14%, and the population density is 64%. In 2028 will be similarly 1 crore, and 20 in 2038 will be 1 crore 15 lakh 50 lakh, and 2048 will be 1 crore 64 lakhs, with the 2058 was 2 crore 31 lakh, and 2068 the recent one is 2 crore 64 lakh, and the population density becomes 180, and the population growth rate becomes 1.35%, and the percentage of size of population change is 14.44%. So in the next table we are going to deal about the population distribution based on geographical features of geographical region. So we'll read about this. So this is the first column of population census of the year 2009 to 11, and this is mountain region, hilly region, and mountain, hilly, and Tarai region, and this is the total. So in this there was no counting in mountain and hilly, and similarly mountain hilly both we have 53 lakhs, and in Tarai there was 29 lakh 6,000. Similarly, this is the recent one. If we'll talk about the last second last census was in 2058. That was in the mountain region. Was in the mountain region is 16 lakhs. Similarly, in the hilly region is 1 lakh, and total will be this much. And in Tarai region is 1 crore. This was 1 crore, and 1 crore 12 lakh in the Tarai region, and the total was 2 crore 31 lakh 51,000 423. In the last census of 2068, this is recent one, is the population was 17 lakh in the mountain, and 1 crore 13 lakhs in the hilly region, and 1 crore 33 lakh in the Tarai region. The total was 1 crore 2 crore 64 lakhs and 94,504 in the recent. So in the next table, that is table 1.6, we will see about the population indicator based on the geographical regions. So the first indicator is total population of mountain, hilly, and Tarai. So the mountain is of about 1 crore 78 lakhs 17,000, sorry 17 lakh 81,000, and this is 1 crore 13 lakh 94,000, and this is 1 crore 33 lakh. In the Tarai, how much? 1 crore 33 lakhs. In the Hilly is 1 crore 13 lakhs. So if we talk about separately about the male and female population, then in the mountain region, if we talk about mountain region, then it is 8 lakh 62,000, and if we talk about the hilly region, it is the male population is 54 lakh 40,000, and if you are talking about the Tarai region, that is the highest, that is 65 lakh 46,000, and in the female population is 9 lakh, that is more than more than the male population, that is 9,90,000 in the mountain region, and 59 lakh in the hilly region, and 67 lakh in the Tarai region. So if you talk about the gender ratio in the mountain region is 93.84, 91.37 in the hilly, and 96.66 in the Tarai. So annual growth rate is 1.772 is in the Tarai, that is the highest, and 1.06 in the hilly region, and 0.45 in the Tarai region. So if we'll talk about the literacy, population density, and the more population density is in Tarai region, there is population are dense in Tarai region, that is 392, and the population density of mountain region is very less, that is 34, and similarly it is in the hilly region is 186. Total is literacy population, if you talk about the Tarai region, is 61.16%, and 60.10 in the Himalayan region, that is mountain region, and in the hilly region there is maximum literacy rate, that is 72.13%. If you talk about male and female separately, then in the Tarai region, uh, female has 52%, and approximately male is 70%. Similarly, male is 81% in hilly, and 64% in the Tarai. We can see in Himalaya region, the male literacy rate is 71 and female is 50%. Population disability, population with disability. So there is more number in the hilly region, that is of 2,51,000, and in Tarai it is 2 lakh of 8,000. In the mountain region it about 53,000. So in the next table we are going to discuss about the urban rural population indicators, that is national population census of 2068 on the basis of this census. So first is the what is the indicator total population, urban area and rural area. So in urban area there are 45 lakh populations, and the rural area still there is 2 crore 19 lakhs. So the main more population is in the rural area still, according to the census of 2068. So this you can see that male and female ratios separately. So if we talk about the gender ratio in the urban area is like 103, and in the rural area is 92. And population density, if you talk about in urban, is obviously more, that is 1381, and in the rural is obviously less, so it is 153. So if you talk about the literacy rate, so in urban area we have maximum literacy rate of 82.22%, and in a rural area we have a minimum, that is 62%. So if you can see that differently male and female from here. So population disability is more in the urban, in the rural area, that is village area, countryside area, it is 4,58,000, and in the urban area there is 54,000. So the population of 58, acha. So you have just calculated 58 municipalities up till 2068. Yes. So in the table 9 we will discuss about the population indicator based on the development regions. So there are five development: eastern, eastern, central, western, mid, western, and far western. These are five development regions. So if you see, then in the eastern development region we have like 58 lakhs, and in the central we have 96 lakhs, and in the western we have more, that is 49 lakhs, and in the mid eastern 35, and in the far eastern 25. So the more population polluted development region is central, you can say 96 lakhs is there. So the gender ratio of central is 100, and the population density is obviously more, that is 352 of the central, and literacy rate is low here, that is 63.92, and the maximum literacy rate is in the western development region, that is 70.98. So in western development region we have a population of about 49 lakhs, and in the central we have approximately 96 lakhs, and in the eastern we have about approximately 58 lakhs. So we'll move to the next table, that is table number 10. So district wise population indicators. So you can see here the district wise population indicator. This is population, this is total population, this is male female separately, this is annual growth, population density, percentage of literacy rate, and this is disability. So you can see the different uh, so we'll just go through the major one, that is Kathmandu. So Kathmandu, we have total population of Kathmandu is 17 lakh 44,000, and the literacy rate is which one is, okay, this one was 86% literacy rate. So Kathmandu have 70 lakhs population with 86.27% literacy rate. Similarly, Bhaktapur have 4 lakh 68,000 population with 82.52% of literacy rates, and similarly Bhaktapur have 3 lakh of populations approximately and 81% of literacy rate. So if you talk about the Chitwan and Makwanpur, then they have population of 5 lakhs and 5.7 lakhs, and literacy rate is about 76.98%. And if we talk about the Makwanpur, then it has 4 lakh 20,000, so approximately 4.2 lakhs with literacy rate of 67%. If you talk about the Parsa, then Parsa there is of 6 lakh population with literacy rates is minimum here, that is 55.6%. If you talk about Bara, then the literacy rate is 51% with 6 lakh populations. Similarly, if you talk about the Kaski, so the population of Kaski is 4 lakh, 4.9 lakh, approximately 5 lakh with literacy rate is 82%. Similarly, if you talk about Mustan has a minimum population of 30,000, 13,000 only, with literacy rate is 66.21%. Similarly, if you talk about the Surkhet, and then its population is 3.5 lakh with literacy rate is 73.12%. Humla and Jumla, if we'll talk about, then literacy population is like 50,000 and literacy rate is very minimum, that is 47%, and there is one lakh in Jumla, and literacy rate is even more less, that is 54.66%. So if we talk about the uh, Dhoti, then there is the 2 lakh minimum, 2.1 lakh population with 56.35% of literacy rates. So if we talk about the Baitadi, then there is a population of 2.5 lakh with literacy of 62.97%. So we'll move to the next and very important table, that is 11, state-wise population distribution. So the district and the local level, here it is in this, and this is the household, and this is the populations. This is total, this is male, and this is female population. So if we talk about the total population of state one, province one is that 9 lakh 92,000. So 9.9 lakh population is in state one, in which if you talk about the metropolitan city, then there is 47,000 approximately metropolitan city. The population of metropolitan city was 47,000. Similarly, village, if you talk about, then there is 3 lakh 93,000 we have village. So if you move towards the state number 2, So in state 2 there is a population of 9,32,000. Okay, and the municipalities, metropolitan city, we have population of 39,000. So similarly in the state 2 the population is 12 lakh. In the Gandaki state, that is state 4, we have the population of 5 lakh 78,000. In the state 5 we have the population of 8 lakh 85,000. And in the Karnali state we have the population of 2,98,359. So you can see here the municipalities have population of 1,55,000. So in the far western state, that the last state, we have the population of 4,69,000. So we have completed here the 11th table of the population. So we'll stop here and we'll discuss the national park, wildlife reserve, hunting reserve, and conservation and protection area in the next sessions. So thank you.